How to create wings and unit numbers? Go to Project Dashboard. Select Create and Manage Wings. Click Add New. Select Wing Type. Here you find the list of different wing type like commercial, residential, bungalow scheme, institutional, industrial, individual unit and many more. Select the one according to your project type. Enter wing name. Select phase. Enter number of floors. Start number. Number of units per floor. Enter number of basement parking floor. Click Go to Unit List. Here, you can see floor-wise unit list. If you want to add suffix with unit number, write it in the box above Unit Numbers. If there is parking on any other floor, you can select here. You can change the name of floor and individual unit by click on them. Click Save.